The time it takes to travel the 67 kilometers there are between Madrid and Segovia will vary depending on the train we takes. In the case of regional trains, they are the slowest ones between Madrid and Segovia, and therefore, it will take longer to travel the 67 kilometers that separate Madrid from Segovia if we choose to travel in one of these. However, the AVE trains are the fastest ones to arrive in Segovia, so we will save some travel time.
The time, 'cause I wanna freeze this moment, make it mine, hold you close, now my heart's wide open, when I'm with you suddenly I feel no pain, do you make it go away, do you make it hold you close, now my heart's wide open, when I'm with you suddenly I feel no pain, do you make it go away, do you make it go away?
Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.